everyone, welcome to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorial. Today's topic, I'm going to show you how to create an instant table lamp for the autumn season. Our material is this one. This is made from the plastic bottles of mineral water, and this is a pine cones. This is painted with a nail polish, which is yellow. And this one is also painted with a yellow nail polish. All you have to do is to cut out the bottle from the top and form into a leaves. Cut out into half, and the half side you have to cut it into three parts, and you have to form it into a pointed shape on the top, and you open it like this. This is the bottle, and it will form like a flower, and it looks like this now. Okay, so this is now the result of the plastic bottles. Okay, and you need only this is a battery operated lights. Okay, this is very cheap, but this is very safe because this is only battery. And we need, this is a fish net. Okay, this is a sack of the potatoes. Okay, potatoes, this is made, this is from the waste container or potato bags. Look, this net, I will show you the net of the real potatoes. This is my potatoes. Okay, look at this. So when it is empty, I'm using it for my project. Look at this. You see, this is already a garbage. And we need this empty jar. This empty jar is from the waste empty jar from the cafe, from the Nest Cafe. So all we have to do is to put this jar inside in the net. Okay, look at here, very easy. Okay, look here, you have to put the adjust it. We will adjust the camera. Yeah, this is the net, this is the net, and we have to put inside the net this jar. Look at here, and just simply the extra parts of the net just insert inside into the net. Okay, look at here, look, you can see it's like that. And all you have to do is to just fix it here at the back side. If you can fix it with the glue, or you can just put a pin. Okay, like this. Okay, I will just put a little bit of the glue to hold here. So I already put a glue. Look at here. So it's like that only, very easy, because the important is the front side. Look. So all you have to do is to insert only the net. Okay, so it looks neat. And this electric lights, you have to wrap around on the body of the, look here, from the bottom you have to tie around this electric lights, and just wrap around into the body of the jar. Look. Okay, just simply as that, very easy. Look, just wrap around to the body of this jar. Okay, and the end part of this wire, look, you have to insert into the jar inside. Just insert into the jar. Yeah. The battery. Okay, insert the battery in the jar. So it is already like that. So on this one, you don't need to fix it because this is disposable and this is movable. Okay, look at here. This is just like that. And put this one on the top of it. Okay, so that is very easy. So this is our very easy project, instant project. Okay, you you can also fix this one with the glue, but it's no need to fix it with the glue because it is movable. Okay, because we will not fix it because you are going to take the battery inside the jar if you are going to switch off. That is why we will not fix this into the jar just like that. So you can use this table lamp especially outdoor. If you have table outdoor during the night, you make some conversation, drinking coffee or whatever. So this is very useful project and very inexpensive. This is only waste. You need only to buy this battery operated light. I think this is only €2 or something, and the battery is 2 pieces, the double A type. So that is all. So this is how to recycle your waste: empty jar of the coffee and empty bottles of mineral water and this fish net for the potatoes. Okay, so if you don't have glue gun, it's okay. You can just you look at here at the back side. You can just tie it with what is this? You can fix it with the stapler pin at the back side, or you can make you can tie it little bit of the wire. Okay, so that is it. Look, even if you will turn it, it's this one is not visible because it's the back side, and it's very easy to assemble this project. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel so that you will be updated of all my new project. And please check my other project. Just click the playlist from my channel on my video gallery in my channel so that you can find many other projects from me. I am uploading videos every day as soon as my project is done because I want to share with you on how to recycle our waste in order to minimize our garbage and to keep our environment clean and save the Mother Earth from pollution. And this is also very helpful to you because you don't need to buy expensive table lamp. Just be practical, create as simple as this. Okay, so see you again in my next tutorial education, at maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa aking YouTube channels. Ciao, auf Wiedersehen. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye. You can adjust like this. Okay, bye-bye.